Yes? Wait, did you fucking order that?
No, but it's a fucking, he got it fucking, he got it fucking,
Oh, sorry, mate. Oh, sorry about that.
Dude, what the fuck?
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Here's a fucking, you just get the rest, sorry about that. Sorry, dear.
I'm not fucking signing that.
Yeah, no need to sign.
Just give me a fucking credit.
That's all good. Don't worry about that.
Hej! Välkommen till Inebriade Individer.
What?
Never mind.
Get it. Just. I think that.
No, don't fucking bring it out. Come on.
Well, how about we just look at the instructions, okay?
Yeah, the instructions.
Yeah, just give the
of course.
instructions a look. It's a oh shit.
Put it down, put it down,
Down.
That's what we do. That's why. Fucking hell, Matt, the instructions.
I think it's. Nah, it's so good. It's so good, bro. It's so good. Nah, it's so good. It's so good. I got it. I deal with this at home all the time.
Push no minute.
It's so good.
Push it. How do you fucking do it? Right.
It's out of the way.
With that big flat pack.
Now, see this guy? See this guy? It's not even funny.
Soldier through, Sam. Soldier through.
Right. They sent us this, so there must be a fucking they. You can't just be one fucking person.
There must be a they. There must be.
Please.
Alright.
Is this part of your
So obviously, I'm gonna open this bag.
It is.
I'm gonna open this bag.
Do not fucking lose your screws.
Huh?
We need them.
I won't lose
At
them.
the end of it.
Okay, so we gotta be quiet. I'll open the door. Get the
Oh,
smoke.
Spaghettios. Uh-oh, my spaghettios. Uh-oh, the spaghettios.
Alright.
Hey, Jake.
So there's like these little ones. I feel like they don't come into play till later.
I really should not have picked two people who have never fucking assembled IKEA
Hey,
furniture.
fuck off! I'm a flat pack king, bros.
Egg sandwich. Egg omelette.
Bro, he's like my dad, just fucking withholding. Anyway, yeah?
With holes worthing.
now.
This guy gets it. He is my dad. Dad?
Can you think for one moment instead of thinking me as daddy, please? Me.
First of all, how did we even get to Sweden?
Bubbling, babbling, babbling, buffoons. He has so much to learn.
Talking shop.
And you're 22.
Fucking old? You're more fucking old? Mr. fucking serious fucking Jake man all the fucking time? You're more fucking old?
Yeah, so I really enjoyed the cafe that you actually recommended me yesterday. It was pretty nice.
Jerry, I gotta say, your sister is quite attractive. She's really good looking. She's a handsome one, you know?
She's 58 and divorced, Tom.
Really, I was talking about the other one, the 15-year-old sister.
Tom, you're 63.
Oh, you know, age is no boundary, you know.
I mean, there really is, and also she's my sister.
No, you know, there's no boundaries really in life. You can't really.
You know, Tom, you're really getting on my fucking nerves right now, man.
Oh, you know what?
You cut me off beforehand, and you kept doing this.
Oh, you know.
Oh, fucking give me fucking home. No, I don't. There's not enough holes. There's not enough holes.
Nah.
You don't have enough holes.
Nah.
What?
Have it.
Fucking want more holes? I'll give you more holes. No, I got it.
Is this all shut?
Is this a time? I don't know. Sam, Jake's on his period. I don't think now's the time.
It actually hurts.
Yeah, I know it does. Fucking hell, because he kept picking at me. Go on.
Oh!
I broke that knob.
We got like a fork with a bend in it, and like 2 big screws, like 2 little screws, 2 white things.